Hi DevOps buddies, this is the continuation of our early video related with Trivy Scanner. We have covered how to scan your image with Trivy, and fix the most of the vulnerabilities using latest base images, but most of the people's asked me what is actually after Trivy to fix all vulnerabilities. Here is the answer, Chainguard, to eliminate your common vulnerabilities and exposures. Okay, let's go to the problem. Let's start with Trivy installation. If you have already installed on your machine, then you can skip this video up to 1 minute 36 seconds. This is the official page of Trivy. RHEL-based and Debian-based setups you can find here. I'm choosing RHEL-based setup. In order to install Trivy, first we need to add the Trivy repository into the server. Just follow remaining commands. Yes, it is completed. Then what next? Okay, here I have a Docker file for making a one sample app container with Tomcat image. The first line indicates, this Docker image will use Tomcat version 10.1.17 as the base image, as on today this is the second latest Tomcat version, and the next line is for updating latest patches. Then I will deploy my app. Okay, let's create an image and try to scan with Trivy for finding the vulnerabilities, and just copying the same to the server. Here you can see my sample web app, and I'm going to copy that to a Docker file. Let's create a Docker image my app version 1. Yes, our image is created. Let's check whether this image will work or not. Yes, it is working on port 8080. Next we have to check the vulnerabilities of this image by using Trivy. The command is Trivy image and image name. Here image name is my app version 1. It may take time to complete the scanning. Let's wait. Yes, the scanning is completed. You can see lots of vulnerabilities found in this image. Here we can see more than 150 vulnerabilities are present in this image. How we can fix it? Okay, let's update the image. Updating to latest base image is the best way to eliminate the vulnerabilities, so let's try with latest Tomcat image. Let's go to the Docker Hub and search for the Tomcat. Okay, we can find the Tomcat latest image, and it was updated just 6 days ago, which means we can fix most of the vulnerabilities with this latest image. Let's try. Instead of specific version, I am going to use latest tag. Okay, let's build my app version 2 with this Docker file. Yes, our image is created. Let's check whether this image will work or not. Yes, it is working. Next, just scan with Trivy. Our assumption is, with latest base image we can fix our all vulnerabilities. Okay, let's see. The scanning is finished, and the vulnerabilities also reduced, but you can see still there is lot of vulnerabilities. Even with latest base image still we have vulnerabilities. How we can fix this? Who will help us? Do we need to wait for next release? These question most of the peoples will ask, after Trivy where to go. Here is we can use Chainguard Docker images. First I will show you how to fix this vulnerabilities. Okay, let's go to the Docker Hub and search for Chainguard. You can see this is the official repository of Chainguard. Let's search for Tomcat image. Yes, we can see Tomcat image is available. We can see this image is updated few seconds ago where our Tomcat official latest image was 6 days ago. So let's try this image for our application. Let's create my app version 3 with Chainguard base image. Let's create my app version 3 with Chainguard base image. Yes, our image is created. Let's check whether this image will work or not. Yes, it is working. Next, just scan with Trivy. Yes, here is the magic. We can see there is no vulnerabilities. Before there was more than 79 vulnerabilities. Now it becomes 0 by using Chainguard. What is the magic? Actually, Chainguard images are rebuilt daily with the latest security patches to address known vulnerabilities, and these container images are built to be as small as possible, containing only the application and its essential dependencies. This reduces the attack surface and minimizes potential security risks. Okay, let's compare the image size. You can see the official Tomcat image has more than 500 MB size, but the Chainguard is just half of this, because image containing only the application and its essential dependencies. Now let's get into the Chainguard container. You can see by default this container is running as a non-root user. And it doesn't have any privileges, because this is very hardened image. Security best practices are following by default. Okay, let's talk about Chainguard. Chainguard is a company focused on securing the software supply chain, particularly for organizations that rely on open source software. Chainguard secures software, especially for those using open source code. Their pre-built container images, Chainguard images, are patched daily for vulnerabilities and boast minimal security risks. They also offer tools to automate security checks and fixes throughout the development process. Overall, Chainguard helps organizations build secure software faster and meet compliance standards. This is the official website of Chainguard. Let's go to the products. Click on Images. Search for an image. Only images tagged with latest or latest dev are available for free. These tags may not be ideal for production use because they represent the most recent version, which may not have been thoroughly tested. For production use, you may want a specific version with a Guaranteed Service Level Agreement, SLA. SLAs are not available on the free tier. So many other images also you can find here. I hope this video is useful for you. I will come back with more useful cases of Chainguard later. Until then, bye-bye. Thank you for watching this video. If you felt this video is useful, then please do like and subscribe.